Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to navigate back in Visual Studio Code. First of all guys, I will need you to get your Visual Studio Code open. If you don't have it, you can just go to your browser and then go to the URL section and search for Visual Studio Code. And from here guys, go to code.visualstudio.com. After that, you have to download it for Windows through here, or you can just go to here and download it for Mac OS or Linux. So these are the options that you have. After that, if you didn't have like any option of these or it didn't work for you in your PC, you can just open it in your web browser, just like so. And they have basically the same things. So now let's go to our Visual Studio Code and let's go back to our tutorial. So the navigation back option, it is basically a thing that will help you navigate between your files, your scripts. So let's say that you have a big project. For example, for me, I don't have really a big project. I just have print world hello world. But in case you had, for example, here tutorial 2.html and here I don't know. Let's remove this. I think yeah. Let's remove this. Let's create here tutorial 2.py and let's open for example another one which gonna be tutorial 3.py. So here you can see I have printed hello world and here I will make something like a equals to 3 and here I will make a equals to b and here let me just change this real quick. Okay, and let's go up here and b equals integer. So here we go, and here we go. Now what I'm going to do is actually do something like print b, and here basically what I'm going to do is actually c equals 3, c equals a, and here I will add a equals 4. So I will do here print c. So something like that. Now actually when we finish that, so what I'm going to do is actually let's select this. So I need to make an history, or it is in history. So here we go. Let me just select this, and then I'm not going to tutorial 2, I'm going to tutorial 3. So here we go. I'm going to select this, and then I'm going to here and select this. Now after we finish that, I'm going to do is going to command palette and search for go back, and as you can see it's taking me back. So let's go back again. So go back and it take me back again. So guys, that's how you can navigate back in your script. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next tutorial.